Greetings to all of you. My name is Joshua Arnold Martinez, and I serve United ISD as Director of Bands for John B. Alexander High School. John B. Alexander High School's fine arts programs sit amongst the best in the state, region, and community. With 3 concert ensembles, numerous auxiliary ensembles, and home to the Bands of America South Texas Regional Champion, UIL State Competing Area G Champion, Outdoor Performance Ensemble, you and your child are guaranteed an experience that will stay with you for a lifetime. Our programs are composed of numerous parents, musicians, and performers that span from all over our great city. And today, those individuals will be walking you through their own experiences while being a part of the premier program of South Texas, the John B. Alexander High School Bulldog Band.
Hello, my name is Jeanette de la Rosa, and currently my child is a trombonist with the Bulldog Band. My child attended Salvador Garcia Middle School in Rio Bravo, Texas. She is a member of the Health and Science Magnet program of John B. Alexander High School, where she is also part of the Mariachi Monumental de Oro. Band has played a significant role in her structure and development in becoming a responsible young adult. Band has encouraged her to explore her communication skills and engage in building bonds and friendships that extend beyond the classroom. This unique opportunity to be part of this tremendous organization has yielded a vast array of growth as an individual that I, as a parent, am extremely proud of. As a band parent, it gives me so much pride and joy to see my child excel in this band program. Our commute to events, school, and practice is a 30 to 45-minute drive daily. As a single band parent, sometimes, although difficult, to have my child ready for the commute, nothing is more exhilarating than seeing your son or daughter march and perform their hearts out on that field. The growth and passion they display makes it all worth it. I encourage you to explore our band program and join us so that you too can experience being part of the premier program in South Texas, the John B. Alexander High School Mighty Bulldog Band.
Hello, my name is Jose Luis Salinas II, and my son is part of the percussion section in the Mighty Bulldog Band. My son is a product of the United Middle School Band program. Now, at Alexander High School, not only is he a member of the Bulldog Band and Percussion Theater, but he is also enrolled in the Health and Science Magnet program. I've seen very positive changes in my son since becoming a member of the band. He has formed many lifelong friendships and has become a more social person when meeting new people. The influence that band had on him helped instill the drive to become a more responsible individual. As a band parent, when I see all the effort that he puts into the band and having the pleasure of experiencing the final product in their competitions, I get this overwhelming feeling of joy. It makes me proud seeing all his accomplishments and watching all of his hard work pay off. I would like to invite you to our band program at Alexander High School. It is an experience that you and your child will cherish forever.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Mi nombre es Patricia Mireles y soy mamá del estudiante Antonio Mireles. Él es percusionista en la banda de Alexander y estuvo en la secundaria Los Obispos y Raúl Perales al sur de Laredo. Actualmente es parte del programa Magnet de Salud y Ciencias de la Preparatoria Alexander. Este es su tercer año en la banda y ha sido una de las cosas que él ha disfrutado mucho. El trabajo ha sido arduo, pero es una gran enseñanza que los chicos pueden hacer, ya que la convivencia es sana y están enfocados en todo lo relacionado con la música. También es algo que los forma como personas responsables, ya que adquieren mucha disciplina, esfuerzo, dedicación y lo más sobresaliente son los resultados que han obtenido en las últimas competencias. Han sido reconocidos como una de las bandas de Laredo número 1. Yo como mamá he vivido todas esas aventuras, ya que nuestros días empiezan temprano, ya que la distancia desde el sur de Laredo hasta el norte, donde se ubica la escuela, no ha sido obstáculo para que él cumpla con sus compromisos y actividades que se han encomendado. Y nosotros como padres somos, aparte de sus directores, sus grandes apoyos para que ellos cumplan sus metas y la gran satisfacción de ver cómo todo se puede lograr si estamos enfocados y comprometidos a ser parte de una gran banda. Te invito a que te unas y seas parte de Bulldog's Band.
Hello, my name is Kenya Villarreal, and I have 2 wonderful children that are currently in the Mighty Bulldog Band program. One is a senior and plays the tuba, and the other one a sophomore who plays trumpet and is also part of the Mariachi Monumental de Oro. Both of my children attended Raúl Perales Middle School, where they were a part of the mighty Oiler Band. Band has played such an important role in our family. It has provided my children the tools to become responsible young adults, as well as encourage my children to express themselves. Many may feel that extracurricular activities are time-consuming, but this program has actually provided us, as a family, the opportunity to spend more time together during their high school years. As a single working mother of two, it has been at times challenging. The daily commute to school for their rehearsals at 6 in the morning has allowed me to see them implementing adult skills by getting up by themselves, making sure they have everything they need, and showcasing responsibility. These events have allowed me to see my children thrive on something they're passionate about, while growing as young adults, which has made every sacrifice worth it. These years go by fast, but an amazing opportunity band provides to parents is the opportunity to sit front row with your child at their events and performances. I have been a parent volunteer since day one. I was a bit intimidated because I didn't know anyone in the program, but as soon as I started getting familiar with the parents, we gained a new family. Everyone made us feel welcome, from the amazing director, assistant directors, and parents. It has now led to today, where I'm a part of the Alexander Band Parent Association Board. As a band parent, watching my children thrive, doing what they enjoy is the best feeling any parent can have. I am extremely proud to see them accomplish their goals, developing as young adults, and ultimately growing as amazing individuals, both in their academics and within this amazing band program. I encourage you to be a part of this organization. Guide your children towards embracing these amazing growth opportunities and allow your child the life-changing moments, as well as yourself, that come with being a part of the best band program in South Texas, the John B. Alexander Mighty Bulldog Band.
Hello, I'm Ernesto Sandoval, the proud principal of John B. Alexander High School. When I think of the Mighty Bulldog Band, I think of three things: work ethic, dedication, and satisfaction. This is one hard-working group of people. The directors are extremely committed. They begin their day at 5:30 a.m. and end at 7 p.m. The students begin their day at 6 a.m. and end by 6 p.m. Even the parents work hard assembling and setting up band scenes. Yes, this is one hard-working community. The second term I think of is dedication. This entire community is dedicated to creating the best band program in all of South Texas, and they've done it several times. Lastly, I think of satisfaction. Everyone feels a great deal of satisfaction in knowing that their hard work, their dedication, their commitment has delivered yet another championship band. Get involved and feel the difference the Mighty Bulldog Band makes.
Our program guarantees that your children will be exposed, educated, and molded among students that have created one of the premier ensembles of the state. Our parents' diligence and support, coupled with the relentless pursuit of growth as educators, has allowed our program to flourish annually. We invite each of you to explore your future and experience those lifetime impactful moments here with us at John B. Alexander High School. Please visit one of our numerous parental portals or email us for more information on how you too can be a part of the premier program of South Texas, the John B. Alexander High School Bulldog Band, where we are building the future through the art of music education.